Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 16 of 45 days DAX challenge series. Today I am going to discuss count rows DAX function in Power BI. So I'll explain you what is count rows. I'll explain you in which case you should use count rows in a real life scenarios. Fine. And I'll copy the dataset into the description box. You can download and practice count rows function by yourself and comment your code into the comment section. So without further delay, let's jump to Power BI desktop and see count rows function in action. So before I start, if you are here for the first time, so don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe to the channel. Fine. So here I have one sales table and totally we have 7 columns here. Order ID, region, product, category, sales amount, quantity and order date. So what count rows does? So it counts the total number of rows in a table. It counts total number of rows in a table. So if I apply count rows for this sales table, so answer will be 7. Why? Because total 7 rows we have. Fine. And also remember, it does not ignores blank. Let's say if any specific row have some blank value, then it will consider blank as well. Fine. So let's write the measure and see count rows function in action. So if I'll write the measure name, let's say CNT equal to count rows. See, count rows ask for table, and what is the definition? It counts the number of rows in a table. So which table? Sales data sample table. Okay, so we got one new measure, and if I drag this measure into the card, answer is 7. Fine. Now let's change the scenario. So here we have total 7. Now we want to find out the how many rows are there where region equal to east. So in that scenario, what we are going to do, let's see. So I'll click one more new measure, I'll create one more new measure, and I'll say east equal to calculate. I want count rows, right? So count rows of table. Which table? Sales table. Now ask for filter. What is the filter here? Region equal to east. So I'll give region equal to east. So yeah, no any error. So if I drag this measure into the card, we got 3. Let's check. See, for order ID 101, region is east, so count is 1. For order ID 103, region is east, so count is 2. So and for order ID 106, region is east, so count is 3. So we got answer 3. Your task is to find out how many rows are there where sales amount greater than 100. Please comment your code as well into the comment section. I'll look into it. Okay. I'll meet tomorrow with some important DAX function. Till then, take care and bye.